Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. And it's Tuesday today. It's March 2. It's my birthday. Kaya hindi ako pumasok. Char. Anyway, hindi na ako nag-work ngayon. Kasi nga birthday ko. So, nag-file na lang ako ng leave. And last night, sinurprise lang ako ni Yoris ng balloons. Ito. Nakalagay lang VER. T-E-R. Yan. And then, papaba na rin kami kasi magba-brunch lang kami. Actually, hindi na nga brunch eh. Lunch na. It's already 12:30, I think. Kasi late na to nagising. So, kakain lang kami sa favorite restaurant namin. Again, in Broadside. And, yeah, yun lang. Mag-iikot lang din kami later. Siguro sa mall. Supposedly, pupunta rin kami dapat ng National Museum. Are we still gonna go to National Museum? Or it's hassle already, since we're gonna go out later. Anyway, so, mag-National Museum dapat kami. Nagpa-reserve na kami last night, but, since magdi-dinner kami with my family later, siguro next time na lang kami mag-museum, kasi, medyo hassle din, kapag pabalik-balik kami. So, baka mag-ikot na lang kami sa mall later, after namin mag-brunch. Hi guys! So, it's already almost 7. And yes, nagpalit ako. Actually, the whole day, nakatulog lang kami ni Yoris. Ewan ko ba, ba't parang antok na antok ako kanina? Kasi siguro 3 PM na kami. I mean, 3 AM na kami nakatulog kagabi ni Yoris. Kasi nga, nanood din kami. Okay, we will go to Cafe Guild kasi nandun yung family ko to celebrate my birthday also. Si Yoris, inaantay ko lang. Ang tagal na naman niya. So, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so we're home and meron sa akin binigay yung college friend ko. Sobrang surprise ako actually kasi hindi ko she's from Isabela, so ang layo, 'di ba? And then pinadala niya ako nito sa bahay ko sa Manila. Wait, tatanggalin ko muna. There, dried eucalyptus flower. Sobrang bango. Thanks, Vic.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna
make a wish.
It's gonna be a long day.
First Filipino on the moon. Yay! Oh. Billionaire within 5 years. Yay! We are going back for commercials. Be right back.
Dame, ano ba? Okay, wait, I'm going to get my phone.
Oh my god, I think she was wishing to be taller.
It's gonna be a long day.
Oh my god. The cake is almost burning alive.
Guys, naiinis na si Yoris.
Yay! Happy 16!
Yes! Okay, let's eat the cake now. 8. Oh my god, lobat na ako. Okay. So, it's already 8:24, Wednesday, March 10. And I think yung last vlog ko is last week, yung birthday ko. So, after ko mag-work kanina, I went to Mega Mall to buy some stuff para here sa condo. And I also got myself a Samsung tablet. I know this is not the latest Samsung, but chinek ko yung features and ito yung sakto talaga sa pangangailangan ko. And I'm not really a type of person yung kung ano yung latest, yun yung binibili. So, I got myself a Tab S6 Lite. And yeah, I've been like contemplating if I should get the Apple iPod, but iniisip ko kasi baka mangyari ulit yung sa dati kong iPod. I have mini iPod here. Matagal na yun eh, pero kasi ang problem with iPod is once na matagal na siya, hindi mo na talaga siya magagamit kasi nga parang yung software niya is kailangan, hindi na siya compatible sa mga new apps. Yun. So, sorry guys, sobrang labo ko kausap. Anyway, so this is what I got. And na-unbox ko na to kanina since I have to check it and nagpalagay ako ng tempered glass. So, I got this tablet again for my work, except dun sa day job work ko talaga. So, yung sa mga ibang work, at least matatrack ko dito yung iba kong work. And I also sometimes edit kasi my vlogs here sa phone kapag tinatamad ako mag-laptop. So, I got this tablet, sorry, para at least hindi na ako nag-edit dito sa phone since madalas ko siyang ginagamit. And para hindi na rin siya malaspag. Kaya, yan. And, also, yun nga, like what I said, I'm not the type of person naman din kasi na bumibili lang ng gadget, which, yung pinaka-latest. I make sure na kung ano lang yung sapat sa needs ko. Yun. And yeah, so I'm going to end the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. And if you have a questions regarding this tablet, with reviews or anything, just let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.